So this is how you can make a video with photos and video clips on the iPhone. Let's get into it. A lot of people might be interested in that because editing videos is fine, but we also want to incorporate the photos there. So in order to do that, you will need a third-party app. It doesn't work naturally or natively within the iPhone's built-in apps. So you can get something. If you need the video to be in the landscape format, then you can get iMovie, which is the video editor from Apple. And this allows you to start a project and import both photos as well as videos into the timeline. So you can put something right there, you can click on the plus and it's going to appear right there, even though it is not going to be, probably like just click and done. You will need to perform some changes like adjust it or change some transitions or something. But, it works well. Like you can see that when I import the photo here, it adds like this little moving effect to it. So yeah, if you need some basic edits, and I remind you that it only works in the landscape format for the videos, right? So the portrait or vertical videos do not work with iMovie. So if that's fine, you can explore iMovie. But if you want to work with the vertical videos, or if you need a little bit more effects or options, I then recommend people to get the CapCut application. It is a video editor. It has been developed by the creators of TikTok, and it has plenty of different effects, right? It is a separate app. It has nothing to do with TikTok really, right? And it is free to download, even though there are plenty of paid features. You will see it inside of the app, but generally speaking, it works very well because you can open up the app, start a new project, and import either photos or videos, right? So you can click on them in the order you want to edit, so you can mix photos, videos, however you like, and then you can click on the add button and it will be added to the timeline. So then you can just zoom that in, reorganize it, shorten, lengthen the clips, photos, whatever, plenty of options, but that's how you can put it together, export it, and end up with a finished project of both photos as well as videos. So that's it from me. I honestly hope that I could help you with this topic or issue. So let me know below what you think about it. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.